Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Marahil ay nagtataka kayo bakit na finally na-turn over sa atin si former Congressman na Tevez. Ito po ay lahat ay sa magandang pakipag-ugnayan ng ating Pangulo, BBM, sa Presidente ng Timor-Leste, si Timor-Leste President Jose Ramos Horta, that they finally decided to turn over to us the person of Congressman Tevez because they believe that Congressman Tevez has been staying in their country for 2 years now undocumented. And they also considered the cases filed against him before the court na sabi nila ay medyo hindi maganda sa kanilang national security. So they finally decided na i-expel from Timor-Leste si Congressman Tevez. With that letter decision of the Timor-Leste government, the Secretary of Justice immediately formed a team consisting of Yusek Eli Cruz of the DOJ, yours truly, at DI. Nagpunta po kami through the help of our Philippine Air Force. Punta po kami agad sa Timor-Leste and coordinated on the return of Sir Tevez. Ganun po. So, ito na siya. Dumating kami kagabi mga pasado alas 12. Ginawa na namin yung procedure. Fingerprinting, mugshot, medical examination, and dumating kagabi rin si Attorney Topacio and the mother of Congressman Tevez. So I allowed them to visit si Congressman Tevez at binigyan namin sila ng private time to compare with each other, magbatian sila. And then dito na rin namin pinag-stay si Congressman Tevez before turning him over to our detention facility in Bocor. Ayun po, may tanong po ba kayo?
Yes. John, please.
Pwede po bang malaman lang po, Director, ano po yung mga kaso pong kinakaharap ni former Congressman Arnulfo Tevez at ano po yung procedure na mangyari po after po dito sa NBI headquarters?
Alright. Yung mga cases na COS, Attorney Agus.
Good morning. 10 counts of murder at Branch 51, Regional Trial Court, Manila. 13 counts of frustrated murder, Branch 51, RTC, Manila. 4 counts attempted murder, Branch 51, RTC, Manila. Another case for murder, Branch 12, RTC, Manila. Another case of murder at Branch 15, RTC, Manila. Another case of murder at Branch 63, RTC, Bayawan. Illegal possession of firearms and illegal possession of explosives, Branch 12, RTC, Manila. Terrorist Financing Prevention and Suppression Act, different sections under RTC Manila Branch, RTC Quezon City Branch 77. Another case of Terrorist Financing Prevention and Suppression Act, Branch 77, RTC Quezon City. That's all. Thank you.